Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Shop Cash on Shop app. So let's get into the video. So open up your Shop app and log into your account. So once I've logged in your account, so if you have some Shop Cash and you want to use it, so what you can do, you can redeem it at the checkout when you place an order. So when you place an order, for example, and when you get to checkout, and there are a few criteria that you need to make sure that you are eligible to use your Shop Cash. Like, for example, you need to purchase from a store a store that's from the US and accepts Shop Pay as the payment method. Only in those stores you'll be able to redeem your Shop Cash, and also it needs to be for a shipping, not a local pickup. So you got to ensure that. And this doesn't also it's not applicable for any digital products or subscription products. So what if you are eligible to redeem your Shop Cash, then once you get to your payment page here, so here you will see, okay, if you redeem your Shop Cash if your order is eligible, then your Shop Cash will appear as a payment method on your receipt here. So you'll be able to see the Shop Cash as an option under the payment method. Since I'm not eligible, I won't be able to see that. So what you have to do is simply, if you're eligible, you'll see that, and then just select it, and then you can simply proceed with the payment and then complete the order. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.